When you walk into a bank, you might notice the teller machines quietly humming in the background, seamlessly handling cash transactions for dozens of customers every hour. But have you ever stopped to wonder just how complex these machines really are? At first glance, they might look like simple boxes that take in and dispense money, but beneath their sleek exteriors lies a world of intricate engineering and precise technology. These machines are the unsung heroes of modern banking, working tirelessly to ensure that every transaction is accurate, secure, and efficient. From the moment you insert a stack of bills or a handful of coins, a symphony of moving parts springs into action. Sophisticated sensors scan each note and coin, verifying authenticity and denomination in a fraction of a second. High-speed motors and conveyor belts transport the money through a maze of channels, while advanced software keeps track of every detail. The machine can count, sort, and even detect counterfeit currency, all thanks to the precise engineering of its sub-modules. Each function, whether it's accepting coins, dispensing change, or tallying up totals, relies on a network of specialized components working in perfect harmony. This level of precision is only possible because of the meticulous design and production of each submodule, where even the smallest part plays a critical role in the machine's overall performance. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes to explore how these remarkable machines are brought to life. We'll peek inside the factories where skilled workers and advanced robotics assemble each submodule with incredible precision. You'll discover the cutting-edge components, like sensors, circuit boards, and mechanical arms, that make up a teller system, and see how companies in the electronic manufacturing industry are leading the way in innovation. By the end, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the hidden complexity behind every transaction and the technology that keeps our banks running smoothly. A teller machine is made up of different modules, each with its own purpose. It's like the human body. It has a brain, hands, eyes, and a heart. Control panel, cash transport module, sensor unit, power supply, coin dispenser, security locking system. Let's start by exploring the control panel, which is truly the heart of the user experience on any teller machine. This is the first thing a customer interacts with, and it's designed to be intuitive, secure, and reliable. The control panel is not just a collection of buttons and screens, it's a carefully engineered interface that bridges the gap between human users and complex banking technology. This is the machine's interface, where you'll press buttons, input information, and see the status of your transactions. The control panel typically features a combination of a touchscreen display, a control PCB, and tactile switches or keypads. The touchscreen display allows for dynamic menus and easy navigation, making it simple for users to select options, enter amounts, or confirm their choices. For those who prefer physical feedback, tactile switches and keypads provide a reassuring click, especially when entering sensitive information like a PIN. The control PCB, or printed circuit board, is the brain behind these inputs, processing every touch and button press with precision and speed. In addition to the user-facing components, the control panel module is equipped with USB or serial ports. These ports are essential for software updates, diagnostics, and maintenance. Technicians use them to upload new firmware, troubleshoot issues, or ensure the machine is running the latest security protocols. This connectivity ensures that the teller machine can be kept up to date and secure, adapting to new requirements as technology evolves. Visual and audio feedback are also crucial for a seamless user experience. That's where LED indicators and the piezo buzzer come in. LED indicators light up to show the status of the machine. Green for ready, red for error, or blue for processing. The piezo buzzer provides audible cues, such as beeps to confirm button presses or alert users to errors. Together, these features help guide users through their transactions, making the process clear and reducing confusion. All these components, the display, keypads, ports, indicators, and buzzer, are assembled into a single, integrated module. This module is designed to be plug-and-play, meaning it can be easily installed or replaced without complex wiring or configuration. However, before integration into the teller machine, each control panel module undergoes thorough testing. Technicians check every function to ensure reliability, security, and a smooth user experience. This attention to detail ensures that when you approach a teller machine, the control panel is ready to guide you through your transaction with confidence and ease. Next, we move to the cash transport module, often referred to as the heart of any cash handling machine. This is the section where the real magic happens, where technology and precision engineering come together to ensure that every bill is moved, counted, and sorted with incredible accuracy. Whether you're depositing cash at a bank, withdrawing money from an ATM, or watching a teller process a stack of notes, it's the cash transport module that's working tirelessly behind the scenes to make it all possible. Inside this module, bills are carefully guided along a complex path. They pass through a series of rollers and belts, moving at just the right speed to be counted and verified. The system is designed to handle everything from crisp new notes to older, worn bills, ensuring that each one is processed smoothly, whether it's being deposited into the machine or dispensed to a customer. At the core of this movement are powerful DC motors. These motors drive the rubber rollers and belts, providing the precise force needed to move bills without damaging them. The rubber rollers grip each note gently but firmly, while the belts ensure a steady, controlled flow. This combination allows the machine to handle thousands of bills per hour, all while minimizing jams and misfeeds. To transfer motion efficiently, the module uses a series of gears, primarily spur and worm gears. Spur gears are ideal for transferring power in a straight line, while worm gears are used where a change in direction or a reduction in speed is needed. Together, these gears synchronize the movement of rollers and belts, ensuring that every part of the system works in perfect harmony. But moving the bills is only part of the story. The module is packed with sensors, starting with infrared IR sensors. These sensors detect the presence of each bill as it moves through the machine, confirming that a note is in the right place at the right time. This helps prevent errors, such as double feeding or missing a bill entirely. For even greater precision, encoder sensors are used to monitor the rotation of rollers and the exact position of each bill. These sensors provide real-time feedback to the machine's control system, allowing it to make tiny adjustments on the fly. Proper alignment is absolutely critical. If a bill is even slightly out of place, it could cause a jam or be miscounted. That's why every component, from the gears to the rollers to the sensors, must be installed and calibrated with extreme care. If a gear or roller is misaligned, or if a sensor isn't working properly, the entire system can grind to a halt. A single jam can stop the machine, requiring a technician to step in and fix the issue. In short, the cash transport module is a marvel of engineering, and its flawless operation is essential for the reliability of any cash handling machine. In the sensor unit, this is where the judgment happens. Is it a fake bill or not? When money passes through, the sensors check it using light. If there's an anomaly, the bill is automatically rejected. The power supply unit is what gives life to the entire system. The electricity needs to be stable and without noise for the sensors and controller boards to work correctly. For tellers that accept coins, there's a coin handling module. This is also precise. The weight and size of each coin need to be correct so that there are no mistakes in the change. Since this is about money, the machine has a built-in security system. If someone opens it without authorization, the machine or headquarters will be alerted immediately. Each sub-module goes through final testing before being assembled into the main unit. Only when they pass the test can they be integrated and sent to the banks. So the next time you deposit money at a teller machine, remember, it was made with the hard work of hundreds of workers, precision engineering, and sub-module production. If you want to know how other machines in the industry work, subscribe to this channel.